You. Robbie. Look at you.
You're good. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. You are so good.
That was a cool thing. That's the best money spent better.
Yeah, that's good.
You like this something?
What's he doing?
Because he's a jumper.
He loves.
Robbie, what you doing? What you got?
Come on, let me go.
What you got? Huh? Ooh, look at you. Yay, Robbie. 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 Ooh, look at Mimo. Oh, look at you. Are you happy? Are you happy? Look at him go. He loves it. And he can turn around in it. Isn't that cool?
Spin, it turns circle.
That's nifty.
Yeah. No,
That's a toy.
that is worth $20 for him.
In the octagon of fun.
Yeah, you turn
There's his
around,
little octagon of fun.
it turns around. The thing swings around.
Look at you. Robbie,
There's a jumper.
where'd you go? Where'd you go? Look at him.
He loves
Oh my God. Yeah, he loves this.
it. Yeah.
This is better than any old Johnny jump up. You like that?
So, yeah, you're right. It's better than those other things they used to make.
You like that? Robbie.
They figured out another way
Robbie.
to let the kids jump without.
Robbie. Robbie. Where you at? Where'd you go?
Robbie.
He likes that bird.
Robbie.
He likes the bird. Look at him go.
Maybe you get over the side.
I don't know. He keeps every time I go around the corner, he turns. There you are. Look at you. Look here, Robbie. 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 Look at Mimo. Get it. Get it.
That was some good chili.
He likes that one over there. What you got? What you got?
Oh, yeah. You really?
Is that the best toy ever? Huh? You have to say, Megan, I love you for finding me the best toy ever. Yes, for the bouncy boy. He loves it. You're phenomenal.
All three jump up and down.